Section 2, Video 3. This next page has this really handy quadrilateral hierarchy. This is a great way for us to see what relates to each other, what inherits different traits, and how all the quadrilaterals are similar and different. And it's also just a great reference tool to remember exactly what defines each quadrilateral. So we're going to go through this hierarchy and just sketch what each of them means. So a quadrilateral, we know what defines a quadrilateral is that it has four sides. That is what a quadrilateral is. And so if we go down in the hierarchy, we'll define these, but we know that all of these below a quadrilateral in the hierarchy have four sides too. So it's like the quadrilateral is the grandfather of the hierarchy. Everything below it inherits its traits. So a parallelogram, what defines it, it has two pairs of parallel sides. Two pair parallel. A kite has two pair consecutive sides are equal sides. And then a trapezoid has one pair parallel sides. Okay, and so those are kind of like the three families that we go down from. So if we go down on the left side from that parallelogram, everything below it also has two pairs of parallel sides, but each of them is a little different in their own way. A rectangle has four right angles. A rhombus has four equal sides. So, and then a square has all of those things. So it has four right angles, four equal sides, two pair parallel, and it has four sides. So you see kind of how I went up the chart there, and so it inherits everything. Inherits everything above it, you could write. For the path of a kite, it has two pairs of consecutive equal sides, and then a right kite has at least one right angle. So a right kite has at least one right angle, two pairs of consecutive equal sides, and four sides. So you go right up the chart to know what all a right kite has. And a trapezoid, so we know it has one pair of parallel sides, and then an isosceles trapezoid has equal legs, and legs we know are the non-parallel sides, so that's to say that this is congruent with this. And then a right trapezoid has at least one right angle. So it looks like it's probably here, and this one actually has two right angles because we know these sides are parallel because it has one pair of parallel sides. So a right trapezoid has at least one right angle, one pair of parallel sides, and four sides. And so we can go up and down this chart and see what everything has and what it inherits and what kind of starts at the top. So a quadrilateral is a really general term, but like a square and a right kite are really specific quadrilaterals and really specific figures. So we'll use this to reference back to how all of these figures relate to one another.